Hey guys, Victor from Maximal Learning back here with another featured tip video. So if you're a student in high school or college or even grad school, you're probably no stranger to Canvas. And Canvas can be pretty useful, but it's also a bit overwhelming to navigate. It can be hard to quickly see what's actually due today and tomorrow without clicking through multiple tabs and courses in Canvas. And there is also no real easy way to schedule work times for your Canvas assignments or an easy way for you to message your group project mates, so students end up jumping between Canvas, Google Calendar, Apple Notes, Notion, WhatsApp, and SMS just to get some work times coordinated. And this seems like a bit of a hassle, I must say. Luckily, you can import all of your Canvas assignments to the Max app and use Max as your one source of truth instead of bouncing between 7 apps. You can also import from any other school assignment management systems like Google Classroom or Blackboard or Schoology, but I'll demonstrate today using Canvas. So you just go here to your Canvas landing page, press the Calendar tab button, and then click the Calendar feed button and copy this ICS link provided here. And once you've gotten that link copied, you can go back to the Max app, press on this settings button here, press the add button right under the assignment feed section, and just add your link right here. And once you've synced up, you'll see here in the task section that all of your Canvas assignments have imported over. I see here that these 2 tasks here are high priority because they're due soon, so that's really useful to know. And I'll add a priority star on this organic chem review task because that's the most important since it's due the soonest. Now if I head over to the plan section, I can even drag all of these unscheduled tasks into my calendar so that I know exactly when to work on them so that I don't fall behind. I can even share one of these work session events with my friend so that we can share notes and even provide some study motivation with each other. And now, in the Home tab, I see all of my priorities for today neatly and easily laid out for me to see. So yeah, if juggling Canvas and all of your other adjacent tools is tiring and overwhelming for you, be sure to sync your Canvas with Max, and Max will become the single place where Canvas assignments get translated into actual doable daily tasks. So yeah, thanks for watching, y'all. Subscribe for more tips on how to get the most out of Max. Thanks.